Good morning, Indira Shah here. Let me just show you how to make moringa and groundnut fry. This is a side dish for chapati, dosa, or you can even mix it with rice and eat, or you can just eat it as it is. This is very good for health because moringa leaves has got high content of iron and highly fibrous. Once a week, all of us should eat this moringa leaves in any form. This is a must. Okay, so now let me just show you. Here I have taken moringa leaves. This is from my terrace garden. I have grown about 5 plants on the terrace in a small container. Take one big bowl, wash it, and half a bowl I have taken onion. Okay, cut them into small pieces. Then this is groundnut powder. You have to fry the groundnut and then powder it. And then you need red chili pieces, coconut, and for garnishing haldi and mustard. And here I have kept about 3 spoons of oil. So let me first put haldi and then mustard. Once the mustard splutters, add the red chili. Now fry the red chili for some time and then add the cut onions. Okay, fry till the onion is brown. Salt we can add once we add the moringa leaves. For moringa leaves take very less salt, so be careful while adding salt. Now let us allow this to cook. Trust me, this will be very tasty, especially for people who are diet conscious and who don't eat the full dinner can just eat this. But usually the dietitians, they say any greens should not be eaten in the night. They say the water retains in the body. So you can eat this during tea time also. I eat it many times. Here I am adding very little salt because salt will help the onion to turn pink quickly. Add this moringa leaves in all your curries and sabjis and sambars. Just a spoon. You can view my video on the chutney powder that I have made using moringa leaves. It is highly fibrous. See, if you have a gas problem, just chew few leaves of moringa along with salt. This will relieve you from the gastric problem. And if your growing children, if they are having this constipation problem, you can give this moringa sabji or moringa leaves in any form. That will relieve the constipation very fast. See, the onion has been cooked. Now let me add the moringa leaves. Now I'll add the required salt. I have already added a pinch of salt in the onion. Those who like garlic can add garlic. I don't eat garlic, so I am not adding garlic here. Now do not add water, okay? So let this cook. Usually moringa leaves gets cooked very fast. Within no time it gets cooked. When you make moringa leaves, do not cook it in pressure cooker or because it will turn bitter. See, even now when you are making this fry, do not cover it. Keep it open. This will retain the color also, plus it will not turn bitter. So do not cover it, okay? See, the leaves are cooked, so I'll just put off the stove. Now you add the groundnut powder and the coconut scrapings and just give it a nice mix. Your fry is ready. Trust me, this will be very, very tasty. You can just eat it as it is, or mix it with hot rice and ghee, or eat it with chapati, or even with curd rice. You can take it as a side dish. Will be very tasty. And in villages they drink kanji, so even it tastes good with that kanji rice also. So I'll just put it in a serving bowl and show you. Yes, this Moringa fry is ready. Moringa leaves, that is Nugge Soppu in Kannada, Moringa Kira in Tamil. Okay, in Gujarati they call it as Saragwani Singni Pan. So trust me, this will be very tasty, very healthy, very nutritious, and highly rich in iron and highly fibrous. So thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel in the name of Indira Shah. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and press the like button and press the bell button for notification, because I'm coming up with many more exciting videos. And please prepare this and give me your sincere feedback. Thank you very much. Bye bye. This is Vitvela.